Welcome to my channel. Today I will prepare a very traditional Bengali or Bong recipe called Shutki Kumro Patar Bora or Shutki Paturi or dry fish Vada or Pakoda with pumpkin leaf. It's a side dish that is served in the main course along with hot steamed rice. Is crunchy and soft. It can be served as day-to-day meal and can be served to Shutki loving guests as well. Please watch till the end as I share many explanations, tips or recommendations and alternatives. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe and click the bell icon so that you don't miss any of my recipe uploads. I have shrimp, dry fish or chingri shutki 150 gram in a pan. Add water 4 cups. Boil in high heat for 10 minutes. Instead of shrimp, dry fish, we can use any other dry fish like hilsa, lote or Bombay, dark, shutki, etc. This is how it looks after boiling. Drain the water and leave the dry fish in a strainer for about 5 to 10 minutes. The boiled dry fish looks like this. Heat mustard oil 13 tablespoons till it fumes, otherwise the recipe will smell of raw mustard oil. Add bay leaf 1, panchforon half teaspoon and cumin half tablespoon. Saute in low heat till golden brown. Add chopped onion 2 cups. Saute in medium to high heat for 4 to 5 minutes. Alternate, instead of chopped onion paste 1 cup can be added. Add garlic paste 3 tablespoons and ginger paste 3 tablespoons. Saute in medium to high heat for 3 to 4 minutes. Add oil like sunflower oil if required. If we want to use mustard oil later, then we need to heat some mustard oil till it fumes and keep it aside, then add it whenever it is required to avoid raw mustard smell. Add turmeric powder 2 teaspoons, Kashmiri red chili powder 3 teaspoons or red chili powder 1.5 teaspoon, cumin powder half tablespoon and coriander powder half tablespoon. Saute in medium to high heat for 1 minute. Add boiled shrimp, dry fish, salt 1 teaspoon, and sunflower oil 9 tablespoons. Add lemon juice 4 teaspoons. Alternate, instead of lemon juice, diced tomato 2 cups or white vinegar 1 to 2 teaspoons can be added. Cook in medium to high heat for 8 to 10 minutes or till dry fish is nearly mashed. If we use tomato, add it after powder masalas are added. Then cook for 5 to 7 minutes. This is how the filling should be. Tip: the dry fish must be mashed and dry. Taste it. Add whatever is required as per taste. Switch off the gas and allow the filling to cool down. I will use pumpkin leaves to wrap the dry fish filling. We need to wash both sides of the leaves like this. We can also use leaves of bottle gourd or lao pata and ash gourd or chal kumro pata. Tip: make sure there is no stem with the leaf. An ideal leaf will have no hole or tear in it. Try to take big leaves. We can dry the leaves with a cloth, optional. Put a leaf on a plate with front of the leaf facing upward. Add some salt on the leaf. Then add some dry fish filling onto the leaf. The amount will be as per the size of the leaf. Fold the leaf from all sides, covering the filling. Start folding from the bottom. Please follow the folding pattern shown in the video. We don't need to tie the Shutki Bora with threads. When we fry it, the open ends snap to each other and does not open. I have got 13 Bora or Paturi. Heat mustard oil 6 tablespoons till it fumes. Put the Bora one at a time into the hot oil. Make sure the side that has open ends is put in the oil. Once fried, the open ends or folds stick to each other and seal the opening. Make sure all the Bora gets oil. Add oil like sunflower oil if required. Press the Bora with spatula so that the leaf is fried uniformly. Flip the Bora. You can see the opening ends are sealed. Add sunflower oil if required. Flip side often so that one side does not get burnt. The leaves should be fried till dark brown. Check for the ones that are done. The ones that are done, take off the pan and keep aside. I will serve the Bora or Paturi hot with hot steam rice. It serves about 3 to 4 people. Please make it at home. Please like, subscribe, share and comment below. You can follow me on social media with my channel name. I will be back with a new tasty recipe. Till then, stay healthy, eat healthy and enjoy life. Bye.